Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So we're looking at some signs of a comeback from Bitcoin. We're looking at signs of comeback from altcoins as well. It started since 2 days ago, I guess, when you made your morning star, right? So you started in to make a morning star across various different time frames, and right now, hopefully, this is the time we start to see a little bit of that relief rally. It's actually pending for such a long time, and when no one is bullish in the market, that's when the market does reverse. Okay, so the market is going to make sure that it disappoints everyone and whatnot. Fear has one benefit in the market: it separates the real ones from the fake one. So the real people who really are into crypto, or people who just understand the market in general, they embrace fear. They don't really like to be excited all the time. So yep, that's how it is. Now, back in 6th of March, man, this is a long time. We're now in July. Ever since March all the way down to July, do you think the market is really going to stay down for the rest of its life? No. Ups and downs will happen. The down has happened, and certainly at some point we're looking for the up to come in the distant future. And I think my bets are from here we could actually start to see that up level. It's actually time for us to go back to the overbought level because we're already down at the oversold level. The oversold level is done and is played and done, okay? Because you have this move down, you have the sideways move up, so the bullish divergence is there. And on the 1 hour time frame, I think it's time that you're making in an ascending triangle. So you're looking for that move up like this, and hopefully we break above, and your next technical target for the ascending triangle is somewhere to 8700. So basically, just going to remove the upper blue line, right? So basically we could be looking at further push up here, and that's 21%. That's not enough. We're still hopefully going to be getting even above here. And one more thing is that a decision is pending until 11 of July. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.